Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. Guys, there's a situation here. Those who are following the Madlanga Commission will remember that on Monday, the Madlanga Commission played that sad video of the unaliving of AKA. And I agree with the family, it was not a good thing for the commission to play that video to open up old wounds. But at the same time, I think it was an honest mistake from the Madlanga Commission. I don't think they did it to disrespect the family or to cause pain to the family or to remind them of that sad day. As a result, the family of AKA is not happy at all with what happened. Let's listen to what AKA's father has to say.
A complete lack of sensitivity and just being very careless at how that footage was shown. It was not necessary in the context of the line of questioning. The questioning was about why was the video forwarded. Instead, now this video resurfaces and we have to live through all of this. The whole of South Africa sees my son being shot in cold blood. He was a South African, a proud South African. I really respect what the commission is doing, and I want positive outcomes, but I believe, and I cannot understand how the commissioners, in all their wisdom, have become so hardened that they just carelessly display that footage. They could have shown a screenshot. I mean, that for me is the disappointment. So I seek an explanation from them about this.
So yeah, guys, as I said, I understand the pain from the family, especially the parents of AKA. But I'm still saying that I don't think the Madlanga Commission did that to disrespect or maybe to show. They were careless, yes, but I don't think it was for them to cause pain. They made a very big mistake. Even to myself, when I watched that clip again, without even being a family member, I felt somehow. But I still believe that it was an honest mistake. They did not do that to disrespect or to cause any pain to the family.
You know, the testimony around it, though, when you also hear of a sergeant that says, well, I did play some sort of role in the investigations into the murder of Keenan, a.k.a. Forbes, and even linking Keenan's friend, Tebelo Tibbs Motwane, to people that have been implicated at the commission.
I have no comment on that. I'm in no position to comment. My issue is about what was displayed, and I cannot comment on that.
Yeah, and I raise it because obviously the family continues to look for answers. How would you like the Madlanga Commission to take this matter forward? Will you be engaging the commissioners in any way moving forward?
I think for me, whether it's a phone call, whether it's in writing, just an explanation. For me, there's obviously much bigger issues. For example, if protection of witnesses, for example, is an important factor in this process, and if the commission cannot get something as like this right, how can it deal with bigger issues like protecting witnesses and whistleblowers?
Yeah, so guys, if you can just wear their shoes, you'll understand. No parents would like to see that video of his or her child again in his or her own life. Because you are trying to forget, then this thing keeps on coming. I know it's very hard for them to forget, even to delete that video from their minds. But if it's just showing like that unexpectedly, I think maybe the mistake the Madlanga Commission made, maybe they were supposed to contact them as a family first before playing the clip, or maybe to do as AKA's father saying that maybe they were supposed to display at least screenshots. But I'm still insisting that I don't think they did it intentionally. It was just a mistake. I think they thought about the transparency more than thinking about the feelings of the family. Because in this commission, we were promised as the citizens of South Africa that everything will be clear to us, everything will be transparent. That is why even when they went to court with the media to say they want to do everything behind the scenes, but the court did not rule on their favor because we all as South Africans, want to see, because we are all affected about what is happening at the Madlanga Commission and what General Mkhwanazi exposed. So I think that's the only mistake they made, that they were supposed to consult with the family first, or maybe to cover the video with some watermark, or at least to put the screenshot as Ubaba KA said. So guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Bye.